Welcome back to the shop. It's Friday. It's just before lunchtime, and once again I've showed up just in time to eat. Before I do that, I was going to show you what I've been doing this morning. Shopping. Seems like that's been the theme for the week. Shop in the morning, work in the afternoon. I bought more lumber. I've bought a strange amount of lumber for working on a car. Anyway, I'm going to turn this pile of lumber into a blast cabinet, sandblasting cabinet. Now, usually what happens when you need a sandblasting cabinet, you go down to the Harbor Freight and you buy one for $100. Well, there's no Harbor Freight over here. I looked on Amazon and found a couple that would deliver, but big truck. Found a couple that would deliver, but you know, we're upwards of the 200 euro mark, so I decided I build my own. It's just a box. So for $70 in lumber, got some OSB and some more material to cut down to 2x4s for legs and frames and stuff. And we're gonna spend the day building a blast cabinet. Also, while I was shopping, I got a bottle of gas. Yes, I have gas. It's argon. I'm setting up a TIG welding set. I don't know. I already got some tungsten and some. I saw this great tip on Eastwood for welding thin body panels. Instead of buying a super thin TIG welding rod, you just get MIG, a coil of MIG, and cut them off, you know, however long you need, and use them as a filler. Generally, with the thin stuff, you're not going to need a lot of filler, so you know, that's just there in case you're trying to fill a little gap. Also got some magnets and starting to get set up. I have a welding mask and stuff on its way. Yeah, anyway, excited about that. Alright, so that's the plan. I'm going to change into my dirty clothes and start making some sawdust. That's about all the fun I can have for this day. There she is. You get an idea of what size it's going to be. It's this big because I may need to get a fender in there, or a differential something big, something long, something wide. Gonna have I'll start with 2 holes in the front for gloves. Might need to add some more. Get to the corners. The side piece on this side, that's gonna be the door. For now, it's just holding the plywood up. It's gonna have, I gotta finish the rest of this plywood along here and along here and along here. Have a small 25 by 50 window that goes here. And sight lines, you should be able to see everything you need to get to without having a huge piece of plexiglass that's gonna get all pitted and stuff. Anyway, this project is gonna have to be continued. Because it's the weekend, and I'm dirty, I need a beer. Have a good weekend. If you like this video, click the like button below. If you want to come along on the ride as we complete this project, click the subscribe button. If you want to make sure Google reminds you every time there's a new video, click the alarm bell. Your support is very much appreciated.